In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Photoshop Generative Fill for object removal. We'll keep it simple and clear, focusing on what you need to do and why it works, so you can get clean, believable results in just a few moments. Start by opening your image. Launch Adobe Photoshop 2025, then head to File, Open, and choose the photo you want to edit. It's a good idea to work on the highest quality version you have, since clarity and detail help Generative Fill blend the result more naturally with the surrounding area. Once your image is on screen, zoom in to the part you plan to fix so you can make a precise selection. Next, select the object you want to remove. This step is the foundation of a convincing edit, so take your time. Pick the selection tool that fits your subject. The lasso tool, shortcut L, is great for quick freehand selections when the shape is irregular and you just want to trace around it. The object selection tool, shortcut W, is ideal for people or distinct objects. Just drag a box around the target and let Photoshop find the edges. If the area has lots of texture or well-defined borders, the quick selection tool, also W, lets you paint over the subject and build a selection rapidly. Use the bracket keys to adjust brush size as you go, and hold Shift to add or Alt Option to subtract from the selection. For better results, slightly expand the selection beyond the object. This gives Generative Fill a little extra room to analyze and blend, helping it pull in the right context from the surrounding pixels. Now open Generative Fill. You can do this in two convenient ways. If you see the contextual taskbar, click Generative Fill right there. It's designed to surface the most relevant options based on what you're doing, so it's fast and handy. If you prefer the menu, go to Edit, then Generative Fill. Either path gets you to the same place. With your selection active and Generative Fill open, Photoshop is ready to interpret the surrounding scene and prepare a seamless replacement where the object used to be, matching lighting, color, and texture for a natural look. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Photoshop tips and tutorials.